Imagine that you're 10 or 11 years old and you are taking part in a youth holiday trip. Everybody has just had lunch and next up on the agenda is football, something that you love. You are really looking forward to it when all of a sudden you are asked to help doing the dishes instead. You don't even like doing the dishes at home with your family. So still a bit shocked, you join the dish doing crowd and things start to change when one person says, "Guys, I know how we can join the footballers quickly. Let's do the dishes pirate style. Wipe next, wipe next, wipe next." The idea is still being considered when the next person is already coming up with the next idea. And to your complete amazement, the mood becomes better and better. Everybody keeps jotting in jokes, and an hour and a half later, everybody's stomach is hurting from all the laughter, and the dishes for 30 people are decently clean again. Did you have such an experience? Can you remember a time when the worst thing in the world actually became the best thing in the world? My name is Tim, I'm .Connector17, and today we are about to do just that. Luckily, the idea can be applied in many fields, and you are about to hear how to do it for passwords. Here you can see a number of shockingly common passwords, and some IT experts even say that with one of these you can access half the world's user accounts. They are serious about that. Obviously, people don't like using a password in the first place. I believe there must be a better way to handle this. And you are about to hear my, and in fact my employer's proposal. Now this is an object that you're quite familiar with, right? A toothbrush. How do you manage your toothbrush? Well, you keep it personal and you replace it from time to time. How about managing your passwords in exactly the same way as you manage your toothbrush? Right, you would never look at your toothbrush the same way again, and you'd also keep your data safe at all times. Obviously, you would have to come up with a good password more often, and that sucks. Uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, a minimum length, and please, none of your past 10 passwords. Obviously, you have to come up with a good one. But how do you do it? One solution could be a password generator. But how about making finding a good new password fun? How about choosing your next password with the help of a sentence you invent? In any language that you like. Marian is 5 when Toby is 8. And neither like candy, for example. Such a sentence is called a passphrase. From there, you just take the first letters from all the words, and if there's a number in and a special character in, you take that as well. And then you come up with something like this. Easy to remember, hard to guess for somebody outside. Now that you got the idea, let's take this further. How about turning your passphrase into your personal playing field? You could choose a passphrase which puts you in a good mood, for example. Keep in mind to increase the number of your hugs tonight. You could also choose a motto for the day. I will act as the best version of myself today, comma, indeed, exclamation mark. At the other end of the emotional scale, you can also choose a passphrase which helps you dealing with challenging situations. Send yourself a heartwarming message, maybe even in the name of somebody else. I heard the example of somebody who had gone through a very difficult separation from his partner and decided to change his password to forgive. Entering that every day into his system gradually had a calming effect on his mind, and a few months later he was able to change his password again to start over. You can also combine passphrases to tell some stories. Choose one passphrase for your Facebook and the next one for your Instagram, for example. Let's do one more example. You can give yourself a reminder, like this one. Put your Häuser da. This one goes out especially to you. It stands for pursue your dreams. You are working hard on your skills and deserve a reward. So there you have it. That's how you turn the worst thing in the world into the best thing in the world. You simply play around with it. Use it as your playing field. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today, and see you around in the next video. Bye bye.